Hello everyone. Today we're going to find the area of a circle given the radius. To find the area of a circle, you need to know the formula. The formula to find area of a circle is pi times the radius squared. Pi can be left in terms of pi, leaving the symbol there. Pi can also be approximated to 3.14 or 22 over 7. So it all depends what the directions tell you as to what you're going to do with pi. So some approximations for pi, like I said, were 3.14, so pi is approximately equal to. And those squiggly equal sign means approximately, or pi could also be approximately equal to 22 over 7, the fraction. So let's look at the given circle. The given circle has a radius of 9 feet. So all I have to do is replace r in the formula with the number 9. So area equals pi times 9 squared. Order of operations tells me I should do the exponent first. So 9 squared is 81. And then I'm going to have to multiply 81 times 3.14. I'm going to do it this way first. I'm going to use my calculator because it's going to make it a lot easier. And we get the answer of 254.34. And we're going to label that feet squared because it is area. Now that's letting pi be 3.14. Again, the directions are always going to have to tell you what to let pi equal. Now I'm going to do it a different way. I'm going to leave the pi symbol, and this is actually one of the easiest ways to do this. If we leave the pi symbol, I'm going to do a equals pi times 9 squared. And like we said before, 9 squared we know is 81. So we're going to end up with pi times 81. Now, it looks better. Pi is almost like a variable here. It looks better if we put the pi after the 81. So it is 81 pi feet squared. And that's leaving our answer in terms of pi. We can also do it another way. And again, this is all going to depend on what the directions tell me to do. But another way to do it is using the pi button on your calculator. So again, area equals pi times 9 squared. I know 9 squared is 81, so now I'm going to hit the pi button on my calculator and multiply it by 81. Now when I do that, I'm going to get a nice long, my long decimal is 254.46900, and it keeps going.